Hi guys, it's me Vivian and welcome to Remington Just For You video series. So in this video, I will teach you different styles and techniques just for you using our very own Remington personal care products. So stay tuned and follow the series. Hi guys, I'm Vivian Visconde, hair and makeup artist. I've been doing hair and makeup professionally for the past 5 years and I'm here today to share with you different but easy to do hairstyles using this wonderful Remington brand of hairstyling tools in whatever looks you wish for, elegant formal, stylish rugged, or gorgeous casual. Fun fact, call it destiny for I have been using my trusty Remington hair care products for more than 5 years already. In partnership with Jacobs Philippines Incorporated, we will have lots of fun doing some magic of bringing out the beauty of everyone. Yes, it can be done the Remington way. So, let's get started. So today, we will be using our Remington Mineral Glow Hair Blower. So, ang model natin for today is si Jana. So, Jana, ang gagawin natin sa hair mo is classic ponytail using our Remington Mineral Glow Hair Dryer. So, ready ka na? Let's start. So, guys, before we start, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung settings and features ng ating Mineral Glow Hair Dryer. So, meron tayong cool shot, 3 heat settings, and 2 fan settings. Ayan. So, gagamitin natin siya pang curl nung dulo ng hair ni Jana. So guys, ang gagamitin natin is yung ating slim concentrator para mas madali yung ating styling. Pero meron siyang 2 attachments kasama itong ating diffuser para sa mga natural wavy hair or curly hair. And meron tayong hang loop for easy storage and sobrang dali lang niya ilagay. Ganito lang. Ayan. So start na tayo. So guys, medyo basa pa yung hair ni Jana. First, untangle muna natin siya. And then, kailangan natin ng round brush para mas madali yung pag-dry natin and pag-style. So guys, on ko siya sa second fan setting niya, which is yung pinakamalakas, and then sa highest heat setting naman niya para mas madali yung ating pag-dry and pag-style. So guys, ganito lang yung paggamit ng ating blower. Going down lang, facing down. Then, kuha tayo ng section ng hair. Then, lagay natin yung hair. Tapos, hatak lang natin siya pababa. Ayan, ganyan. Para mas straighten din yung hair natin habang nagda-dry siya. So, da-dry ko muna yung hair ni Jana. By the way guys, our Remington Glow Blow Hair Dryer has advanced ceramic coated grill infused with 4 times naturally sourced minerals, quartz, tourmaline, opal, and moonstone. The Mineral Glow Hair Dryer will help you achieve beautiful, sleek results. It makes a style statement of its own with its lilac and pasta blue ombre finish. So guys, ganito yung kinalabasin ng hair niya. Tapos, before tayo mag-pony, magtitis lang tayo ng konti dito para magkaroon ng body yung hair niya. Ayan, kinuha ko lang yung crown area. Tapos, ito yung isa-section natin for teasing. So guys, pag nagtitis, syempre, kailangan nyo ng teasing comb. Tapos, ayan, hawakan nyo lang pataas yung hair. Then, ayan, brush nyo pababa. Section ulit hanggang maubos yung crown area ng hair niya. Ayan. Then, isa-isa lang natin siya ibabalik. Yan din guys, kukuha tayo ng comb na maliliit yung ipin para mas even yung ating pagsuklay sa hair. Then, kukuha din tayo ng elastic band. Yan. Tapos, susundin ko lang yung kanyang part ng hair. So, mag-iwan din ako ng konting bangs. Then, naangat lang natin yung mga tinis natin kanina. And then, guys, kukuha lang tayo dito sa pinakababang part ng hair. Kahit ganito lang kanipis. Then, ang gagawin natin is i-cover natin yung ating nilagay na elastic. Then, secure lang natin siya ng bobby pin. Spray lang tayo ng konting hairspray para mag-last and mas pulido yung kanyang pony. So guys, ito ang ating classic pony. Proceed muna tayo sa makeup. So guys, this is the final look for our classic pony hairstyle. Thank you for watching.
You are